So my name is K. Rasagna and my roll number is AP18110010262 and I'm from section D. So my question is implement lexical analyzer using lex for recognizing the following tokens. So it should recognize a minimum of 10 keywords of your choice. Next, identifiers with the regular expression letter followed by a digit and a star. Next, integers with the regular expression digit plus, and relational operators such as less than, greater than, less than or equal to, greater than or equal to, etc. So it should ignore everything between the multi-line comments like in this between. Next, storing identifiers in symbol table. Next, using files for input and output rather than using in terminal. Next, coming to my program. There are different segments in this program. First, this is the lex variables. Lex variables. Next, these in this double percentile, um, lexical grammar is there, and this is the last one is the main function. So coming to this percentage option, no y wrap. This is a default function. Next, digit is either positive or negative. We can use either positive or negative. Next, this question mark represents we can use any positive or negative. Next, 0 to 9 represents digits, so we can use any digits from 0 to 9. Next, positive represents any minimum one digit. We can use any minimum one digit. So next, coming to this id represents the identifiers, so we can use lowercase a to z or uppercase a to z. Next, after that we can use digits and underscore star. So we should so identifier should not start with the number. Okay, that is the main point. Next, coming to this number, we can use a positive or a negative. Next, a question mark. We can use any digits from 0 to 9, and numbers we can use decimals also. Next, exponential form. Exp is the exponential form. It is in the form like digit, e and digit. Next, keywords. Coming to the keywords, we should use minimum 10 keywords from the question. So that is int, char, float, void, double, if, else, for, while, do, switch, case, break, unsigned main. These are the keywords I used for this program. Next, coming to this, hash include string dot h. So this is the header file. So this everything is the declaration of C variables. Next, this hash include is a header file. Next, char sim underscore table 2030 comma. So this means it is a two-dimensional array with the limit table of 20 strings, and it should contain the 30 characters. Next, coming to the next slide, void store underscore sim underscore tab brackets char into id, and this function is used to store identifiers in the symbol table. Next, this is the lexical grammar. uh, in this double percentile, this everything is the lexical grammar. So this is the syntax for multiple line comments. So this is the regular expression. So if the in this program, if you find any multiple line comments, it will print the multiple line comments and which multiple line comment it is. And next, next double slash. So this is the, if it shows any double slash, it prints the single line comment. If it is a single line comment, it will print the single line comment. Next, coming to the keywords. So keywords, so if it is a keyword, it will print the keyword. Next, these are everything are relational operators. So less than or equal to, less than, greater than or equal to, greater than, is equal to, etc. And these are all the relational operators. So if it is any relational operator, it will print it as relational operator. uh, from this we can observe that relational operator symbol, relational operator. Next, if it is less than or le, like that. So in this, le represents less than or equal to, lt less than, g greater than, next greater or equal to, greater than, next equal to, not equal to, like that. So next, this is the equal to, this is the assignment operator. So like that, same as before. Next, exp, exponential. Next, num. So it is a fractional float, so it will print it as a fractional float. Next, coming to digit, it will print digit. Next, id, so identifier. So from this, store, and we used another function called store underscore sim underscore tab yy text. So this is used to store the symbol table in the output file. Next, the main difference between fprintf and printf is, fprintf will write the code, but printf will print the code in the print the code. So coming to this coming to this main function, first int main, int a char star star s, and command run line a in dot text. So here a represents the number of command line inputs, and s represents the strings for all the inputs. So here we use in dot a in dot text. So this is the name of the input file we are taking. So in this, the in dot text is stored in s. Okay, next yy, next coming to this f open is, and f open, it is the file handling thing, and this entire thing is s1. So coming to this, r is the read file. So we will write the output in this output line. Okay, next coming to this lex. So when we come to lex, it will jump to this double percentile braces thing, and it will read this. Next, till now we declared the variables and open both the files. Next, coming to this, next, for loop. So for comma str cmp sim underscore tab of I, these are I less than 20. So it is used to print the identifiers which are in the symbol table line by line. Next, coming to the function, it is used to take identifiers in the given array. Okay, next, it is used to take the identifiers in the given array. So next, void store sim tab char id. So it will, next it will take int I for loop. So we will take I less than 20 keywords. So in this is used for, if the if it is overflow, then it will return. So if identifier is already in the symbol table, then it will simply return, and if it is also overflow, then also it will return. Next, if you didn't find any identifier in the symbol table, you have to store the identifier and copy the identifier. Have to store it and copy the identifier. That's all. Next, now executing the file. Command prompt. CD desktop. lex analyzer dot l. Next, gcc lex dot yy dot c. Also, next, a in dot text. Next out dot text. So this is the output. So it identified everything and it showed the output. So the output will come in the file. This void is a keyword, next main is a keyword, like that. Next it is a single line command. Next identifier, relational operator, fractional float, relational operator, etc. So symbol table, the a b underscore end. Thank you.